It's time for our tech segment, and joining us now is our technology reporter, Paul Ndiho. Paul.
Thanks, Esther. The growing need for consumer preference for digital payments over cash is changing the way in which people interact with money across Africa. In Nigeria, a 21-year-old app developer is building a social digital payment system that simplifies the process of paying and requesting payments by simply sending an email or phone number. For more, I'm joined by Khalid Ismail, the CEO and co-founder of the Byte app based in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to Africa 54.
Thanks for having me here, Paul.
You are building a platform that enables people, average people, young people to transact business online. What is this technology all about?
We are building Byte. It's a social way for average users and local businesses to send and receive money. So the idea behind this is being able to send money with your everyday tools. Just like you have an email or phone number, you should be able to send money to a user without asking for their account numbers. If we can see is that we live in a social world where literally, in order for us to transact, we are very social about it, and the idea for Byte is to be that social payment where anyone can literally send and receive money without any hassles or inefficiencies in traditional payments.
When you talk to some of the users, some of the vendors, what kind of feedback do you get who are using your product?
So before Byte, those vendors solely rely on cash for sending, for accepting payments. Why? Because it's real time and it doesn't include all those efficiencies for making bank transfers. And when we give them, okay, you can actually use Byte to do all these things in real time without having to, wait for, I haven't received an alert. You have to wait for me to confirm. You have to do this, you have to do that. And that gives them the opportunity to really up their sales. People that have the choice that, okay, they want to do payment via they want to do digital payment. And they gave us a significant feedback where we iterate over our products and give them actually what they need at the end. And so far, we've been getting a lot of feedback and responses that we are currently working on.
There are a lot of people competing for the same market. There is a lot of competition in that space. Almost every telecom operator has a digital payment platform that people use. You now have the POS. Almost every corner of Lagos or Nigeria, people are using those things. Why should somebody come to use your product, the Byte product? What is so unique about the Byte app?
So if you look at the payment market at the moment, we have about 2.1 trillion in consumer payment markets, which 5% is actually digitized, combined with online payment, point of sales. But do you know the reason why the problem has been slow in adoption? Is because of how we face inefficiencies in traditional payments. No payments system in the market currently offering a way for users to send and receive via emails or phone numbers. And we are the first to do that in the market at the moment.
Are you saying that all the other big boys I talked about, the big players, none of them is offering what you're offering on the market right now?
Yeah, some are offering, but our unique value proposition is around those tools that everybody use, like the email, like the phone number. And at the moment, we can't see any solution offering the email and phone number for payment.
A lot of people are concerned about security. How secure is your platform? Can anybody transact business on your platform? If I put my details out there, how secure are those details?
So from our end, we try as much as possible to ensure maximum security for our users. We use encryption services that encrypt end-to-end data that can literally be leaked within transportation or within transmission of data. And for the user's part, we ensure that we have two-factor authentication for everything that they need to do, including transactions.
What problem are you trying to solve?
Everybody in the payment market is trying to solve inefficiencies in traditional payments. Yes, those are the problems we too are looking to solve, but a little bit better. So I'll say leveraging on our solution is actually the best thing that we are trying to do here. Byte, we are not just another fintech. We are building a cashless infrastructure to power Africa's digital economy. So everybody should check Byte out. It's free to use and doesn't cost a dime or your money.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much, Paul.
That was Khalid Ismail, CEO and co-founder of the Byte app based in Lagos, Nigeria. And that's today's Tech Report. Back to you, Esther.
Paul, thanks. Be sure to join Paul Ndiho every Wednesday for another tech segment on Africa 54.